2011 Harley Davidson Sportster 48. It's got Vance and Hines pipes on it. Harley Davidson air filter. I believe this is called Sedona Orange. It's really cool looking metallic orange. Bike's got a extra brake light there under the fender. Changed the controls to mid controls. It had forward controls on it. So basically the pegs were up here where these bolts are, but I liked them better with the mid controls. Felt like it gave it a sportier feel when you're riding it. Got the custom gas cap. Matches the air filter over here.